was just sent this 2-tier coffee mug holder. This thing is really neat because it's a great way to display your coffee mugs and have all of your coffee accessories all in one place. And it's super easy to put together. It's a nice black finish on here. And it's got 2 separate tiers, so it's gonna hold 14 different cups. And with it being all metal, it means it's rust-proof, waterproof. You are ready to go. We're gonna take this out, we're gonna get it assembled, and then we will take it out to the kitchen to get some coffee mugs on it. So they do provide the instructions here to be able to put it together, but very little pieces. So we are just going to put it together real quick. So we're gonna start with this, and we're gonna start at the top here, and we are just going to put our pieces in. All right, we're just gonna screw in the side here at the top, and we will have our first bar in. And then we're gonna work on the next shelf, and then we'll attach it all to the base. Okay, so now we've got this top part all done. Then we move on to the base, and we have these little non-slip grips that we're just going to put these over the bottom, and that will also help with the surfaces, so you have a nice little grip on the bottom too. All right, so now we have the base on here, and now all we've got to do is just add this part in, and we'll put our screws on, and it will be complete. All right, now I'm going to take this little wrench and hold the back side of this while I turn this one to make sure that we can tighten that up real good. And when I get done with this, we will take it out to the kitchen and test it out. Now I have my 2-tiered coffee mug holder here. This can hold up to 14 mugs. So I've got some mugs we can just hang on there real easy. And because of its nice metal construction, I know they're not going anywhere. So that is really nice. And I love that it's got this base at the bottom that you can actually store things like your little sauces and things like that underneath of there. And there's plenty of room under there, even after you add your mugs in. So this is a nice little holder. It'll hold all sorts of different cups. If you do have nice decorative mugs, you can have them out on display, and then they're real easy when you're ready to grab a cup of coffee.